Can you claim legal self-defense in a road rage incident? In today's fast-paced world, road rage incidents are becoming increasingly common, raising important questions about self-defense. Just yesterday, a high-profile case in Pennsylvania caught public attention as it involved a driver using a firearm during a confrontation. This has led many to wonder, can you claim legal self-defense in such situations? Understanding your rights in these moments is vital, especially as tensions on the road can escalate quickly. In many states, it is indeed possible to claim legal self-defense during a road rage incident, but there are specific conditions that must be met. First, the force you use in self-defense must match the threat you are facing. For instance, if someone approaches you with a baseball bat, responding with deadly force may be legally justified in some jurisdictions. However, this is not a blanket rule. You must be in a lawful place and not engaged in any illegal activity yourself. Another key point is that you should not have provoked the incident. If you initiated the confrontation, claiming self-defense may not hold up in court. Additionally, you must have a reasonable fear of death or serious bodily injury to justify your actions. Some states have stand your ground laws, which allow individuals to use force without the duty to retreat if they are lawfully present and face a credible threat. In practical terms, this means that courts will closely examine the circumstances surrounding each incident. In the Pennsylvania case, the driver who used a firearm was attacked with a metal bat. Legal experts noted that using deadly force against another deadly threat can be justified if the danger is immediate and serious. However, the process of claiming self-defense is not automatic. Prosecutors must be convinced that your claim is valid. In some states, you may even have to prove your case at a pretrial hearing. If the prosecution cannot demonstrate beyond a reasonable doubt that your use of force was unlawful, charges may be dismissed. Road rage incidents can escalate rapidly, and courts will scrutinize who the aggressor was and whether your response was reasonable. For example, in a recent incident on Long Island, a man claimed self-defense after being attacked with a bat during a road rage dispute. The outcome will depend heavily on the evidence presented. Ultimately, claiming legal self-defense in a road rage situation hinges on the level of threat, the proportionality of your response, and the specific laws in your state. It is crucial to be aware of your rights and the limitations of self-defense laws in your area.